In this video, I will share with how you can use AI tools to find the jobs, make you interview ready and build your resume. So without wasting time, let's get into it. For applying jobs, you have to analyze the key elements. First one is identify your skills and strengths. So you have to analyze what are the projects you have worked on, what are the technical skills you have, and what are the strengths you have it. You have to analyze the first. Second thing is develop your resume and cover letters. Nowadays, most of the portals and AI tools are available. So using that tools, you can easily build a effective resume. Third thing is researching job opportunities. So you have to analyze what are the portals and tools are available for applying the jobs. Fourth one is networking. Nowadays, networking is very important. Either you are using social media or LinkedIn profile, or you have the direct connection. Whatever the way it is, but you have to increase your networking. And fifth one is applying for jobs. So just you have to analyze what is a better way to apply for job and what is the suitable job for you, and you have to analyze that one. Sixth thing is interview. So before attending the interview, you have to make practice for the better interview skills. So let's get into the tools. First key element is like identify your skills and strengths. We have some AI tools. Using that, you can identify our social personality. First one is the crystal nose. Let me show how it will works. Let me open Google it and search it for crystal nose. Crystal nose is one of the AI tools and available in Chrome extension. I have already installed here, so that is why it is showing here. Let me show how we can use this one. Just you have to open the LinkedIn profile. For example, I'm opening my LinkedIn profile. Just I'm trying to analyze what is my online personality. Once I open this one, it will show here. This is the tool we have installed. So what it do is like once I open the profile, it will try to analyze my personality. So now the report is ready, and what are the do's and don'ts I have to do, and like what is my behavior and what is my writing style, and all the details it gives clearly, so that you can analyze what is my online personality. Along with your profile, you can also analyze others profile. For example, I want to know my one of my friend profile. So just go to that profile. Okay, I'm going to this profile. So now it start analyzing that profile and give the result like this. So by this way, using this AI tool, you can analyze the online personality for some of the profiles. And the second tool is Traitify. Traitify is also one of the AI tool. Using this tool, you can take an AI powered career assessment and personality test. Just we have to give some assessment. Once you give the basic details about yourself, it will ask some questions. Once you answer those questions, it gives the results like what type of personality you have and what things you have to improve. Like that, it will give the complete result about yourself. So these are the two best AI tools to identify your skills and strengths. Let me go to key element 2. That is developing resume and cover letter. This is one of the key element part for you applying the jobs, because building resume is a very important part. So nowadays we have some of the most AI tools. Using that one, you can build our best resume. Let me show the tool one that is called resume.io. Let me go to Google and search it for resume.io. Using this AI tool, we can develop the best way to resume. Just click on this create my resume. There are a lot of templates are available. Based on your preference, you can choose. For example, it should be in simple way, or it should be in creative way, like professional, modern. So whatever that you want, just you can click on this, use this template, and once you give the details, it will give the template like this. And let me go to second tool. Second tool is the JT. This is also one of the AI tool. Using this one, let me search JT. JT is also same like. Let's just try your resume builder. Create your resume now. In this also we have lot of templates are available. Just check all the templates and what you like. Just click on that one and you can give the details. And the third tool is the resume.com. Let me search it in the Google. Resume.com. Like resume.io, this is also resume.com is also one of the AI tool. So using this one, you can create the resume. For example, we can also using this one, you can also create cover letters, and it will also give some career advance, way to improve your interview skills and some details. It will give this resume.com. So these are the best AI tools which help us in creating the resume. Third key element. The third key element is like research the job opportunities. What are the AI tools and portals are available to find the better job for you? So we have 10 AI tools which are nowadays most of the people are using, and you can find what are the profile you like. Let me explain each tool one by one. So to say this, I have already opened all the tools. So let me explain what are those. First one is the arc.dev. So this is a remote job. You can just find the remote job. So based on the profile, you can find it. And second one is the remote.co. This is also, it provides all the jobs and you can find the remote job for yourself. Third thing is like remoteok.com. Same like remote work, and it is also like remoteok.com. And next one is the Upwork. Using this tool, you can also get like full-time work or part-time work. This is the best tool to get the job. And next one is like who is hiring. This is also AI tool. Using based on the location, you can search the job. Next thing is just remote. This is also one of the AI tool to find the job. Like that, we have like remotefriend.io, skip the drive, and authenticjobs.com. All these portals are available. Next one is like working nomads. So like this, all these AI tools and portals are available. So just go to all this portal and find what is the best suitable profile for yourself. I will give the links for all this portal in the description. You can find it later. Let me go to the next key element, that is networking. So this is the one of the most factor you have to consider for applying job. Nowadays you have to be connected with all the people, either in either in using social networking sites or direct connection. Just you have to improve, increase your networking skills. The best tools are like LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is best for the professionals. So just you give your technical details and all the company details in the LinkedIn. So like you can increase the connections by using the LinkedIn. I think you have already know the LinkedIn, so I'm not explaining about one. If you want to read more about it one, I will give the description in the link. You can get it. And the second tool is like refer.me. Let me show how it will work. Refer.me. So this is also one of the AI tool. Using this tool, for example, in any of the company you have some openings, but that post is only for the referrals. At that time, just you can come to this portal and find who is anybody is providing the referral code here. So you can get it, the referral code, and you can apply for it. Suppose if you are a working professional, you want to give any referral to anyone else, just you can give your referral code here, so someone can get it from here. So like this AI portal is very helpful for applying the job. So these are the best AI tools for the networking. Now let me go to the next key element, that is applying jobs. So before that, just you have to analyze your resume is ready for applying or not. So we have some AI tools. Using these tools, you can analyze your resume. Let me explain what are those. First one is the job scan. Just go to Google and search for job scan. So it is like using this tool, you can make an ATS friendly resume, like a document that is optimized for scanning by applicant tracking system. So that so based on that, your application may be shortlisted for by using the ATS. So this is the one of the important AI tool. So just you can upload your resume and scan for it, and it will give some suggestion what are the improvements you have to update in your resume. And like that, the second tool is also like, the second tool is Jobaltics. This is also AI tools, and this is a Chrome extension. Using this one, you can analyze your resume and it will give you the suggestions what to improve. So these are same kind of like job scan and Jobaltics, like both are analyzing the resume. And let me go to the next key element, that is interviewing. So interviewing, like before attending an interview, just you have to make it ready, and just you can check it yourself whether you are ready, or how your communication skills are on the, you can take a demo like by getting some interview questions like that. So the Yodlee tool is one of the best tool. Using this tool you can practice for interview. Let me show how we can use this tool. Just go to Google and search it for Yodlee.ai. This is best for improve your communication skills and to practice your interview skills. So once you get into this, you can start for the free, and just you can record your voice and take some topic and talk about yourself. So once you're done your recording, it will analyze your talking and it will give some suggestions like how you're talking and what are the improvements you have to do. Like that, it will give the entire report for that. So it will be very helpful for before attending the interview. So all these AI tools are now available. So but by using these all tools, just you can like prepare your resume and get ready for interview skills, and you can also find more of the portal and AI tools to apply the jobs. uh, so these are the tools. Yeah, thank you. So if you like these AI tools and this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.